Get ready to get those f***ing squeaks out of your floors for good. To kick things off, you'll need these: a drill, and of course, our game changer, the Squeak No More kit. Inside the kit, you'll find our trusty fixture, helping us guide those screws to perfection. Also, a driver bit with a stop, and let's not forget about our showstopper, our Squeak No More screw, designed to pull those floors together like a magician's final trick. This little genius is the heart of the operation. It's designed to work with carpet, ensuring those pesky squeaks don't stand a chance. And we can't forget the one and only floor joist finder. Now, what's a floor joist? Most houses have them. They're the beams that support your floor. Sometimes the space between them and the subfloor gets unruly, causing those annoying squeaks. We'll need to find them first to treat the problem. Step 1. Let's find our joist. Joists are usually 16 inches apart from one another and run the shortest width of your house. Use clues like floor vents or walls for good starting points. Screw in the joist finder screw. If you reverse it and it comes out on its own, you know you've found your joist. Step 2. Drive a screw through this opening on the fixture using the included driver bit with a stop. Step 3. Grab your gripper, slip the notch over the screw head, and just rock back and forth, baby. And when you're all said and done, it's like it never happened. Squeak-free floors, and you didn't even break a sweat.